Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to speed up Google Chrome on Windows. So let's get started. Open your Chrome browser. Then you have to move this three dots here and scroll down a bit and search for settings. As you can see this here, settings option. Click on it. Now look for system option. Scroll down a bit. You will see the system. As you can see a system option here. Click on it. Now you have to turn on this enable button. Use graphics acceleration when unavailable. It will speed up your Chrome, and turn on you graphics acceleration when available and try to relaunch to apply changes. Okay, then I will show you the second option here, how to uh, if your Chrome is lagging, close high memory tabs using Chrome builds in Task Manager. For opening Task Manager of Google Chrome, you have to simply press the button Shift plus Escape. Now it will open your Task Manager on Google Chrome, and look for tabs or extension using too much memory. As you can see here, it will show you the memory plus CPU. Now select them and click End Process to free up RAM. As okay, no one is. It's okay. It's okay. Now you have to select the tab and click on End Process to free up your RAM on your Google Chrome. And now I will move up to the third option. Third way to speed up your Chrome browser. Click on three dots. Now move to history. Again history. Now click on delete browsing data, and you have to history. You have to click on browsing data. Now you have to select the cache image files and cookies on other data side. You have to enable it and click on delete data. Now it will delete your cache files and give you a better experience. Now you have to move to disable unused extension. Go again to three dots and look for extensions here. As you can see here, now go to manage extensions. Click the three dots and go to extension, then manage extensions. Now disable, remove the extension you don't use. Like if I don't need this add fly skipper, I will go to remove, and it will get removed after clicking on remove button. Now go to Chrome flags, type Chrome, and this feature is very helpful to give you a speed up experience. Go to Chrome flags, open it. Now search for parallel downloading, and enable it. And that's it. Follow the steps to make your Chrome faster and smoother Windows. Let me know in the comments which trick worked best for you, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.